wearing Dad's shoe. Oh my goodness. Today we're making the dehydrated Hungry Jack hash browns. And I've got an awesome helper here. Hi, awesome helper.
Hello.
And you just boil the water, put it in there, wait about 12 minutes, and then fry them up. And we are going to, of course, have some ready cooked bacon with our hash browns, right, Ames?
Yeah.
All right. All right, squirt a little bit of cooking oil in the skillet.
Oh. That's a little bit.
All right, why don't you squirt 2 more of those in there? Good job. All right,
like
now put
squirting
one
it.
over there. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah. Okay, you want to start the flame?
Yeah, turn it on.
Oh, right, yeah.
Okay, why don't you back up a speck? We'll heat the oil up for a minute and then we'll put the hash browns in after a couple seconds.
So I stir it?
Yep.
Open.
Skillet gets warped if you don't have food in it when the flame's on. There you go. You can dump it in there. I'll hold on to it so it doesn't tip over.
That's a lot of food.
Just keep scraping it on out.
Ooh.
How are the hash browns looking, Ams?
Good.
Yeah, you're doing a nice job with those.
Yep.
Well, there it is. Bacon and hash browns. How's your breakfast?
Good.
How's your breakfast?
Almost gone.
It's almost gone. This is Lunetta Lake. We decided to go for a little paddle and find the creek that goes into Little Crab and see if it's open. And Ams decided to sit in the bow with Mom.
Hello.
So I've got good company up here today.
Yeah.
This creek is really pretty, and it's open all the way to Little Crab. Wasn't a problem. Right, Ams? And you were navigating, right? Yeah, and you did a good job. What's that snake up to? So Daddy said he's gonna cut wood and make cheesy garlic biscuits.
Okay.
I was just thinking about resting for about 15 minutes, and then I was going to cut some more wood and cook those biscuits. Does that sound good, Amber?
Mm-hmm.
We're getting ready to do some cooking here. We're going to have shepherd's pie this evening. This recipe I got from watching Kevin Outdoors channel. Kevin Outdoors cooks some really good dehydrated foods, and I really like this one. And I'll put some ground beef with that, and a couple of ketchup packets. I really like it with ketchup. And here's some salt and pepper. And then we're also going to make cheesy garlic biscuits in the reflector oven. This mix is really nice. All you have to do is add a half cup of water. Oh, that's a nice looking fire. Ooh, look at those biscuits in there.
Are they cooking?
Cheesy garlic biscuits cooking away. Alright, there's the shepherd's pie. To me it tastes a lot like seasoned hash browns with vegetables in them. And we'll put the ground beef in there. Then we'll add enough water to cover the food. Shake that down. There we go. Now we bring this to a boil.
Yes, it's going.
Oh, well, okay, this is boiling pretty good. Now we can put it in the cozy. Let it sit hot in the cozy for about 15 minutes, and maybe it'll be done. Good job, Ams. Ooh, those cheesy garlic biscuits look good in there.
Are they almost done?
They're starting to brown. Well, let's take a look and see if the shepherd's pie is done. Look at that in there. There we go, cheesy garlic biscuits. There it is, shepherd's pie and cheesy garlic biscuits.
You want this one, or you want me to take this one?
How's your biscuit, young lady?
Good.
Are you ready for the interview?
Yeah.
How many days have you been camping?
Including today, 8.
Okay, it's day 8. What did you do today?
Stayed at camp. We went to the creek to see if it's open. It's open.
Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Good enough to move tomorrow.
Yeah. But not 12.8 miles.
Where are we going to try to go tomorrow?
Crab Lake.
Crab Lake?
Yeah.
Are you starting to get hungry for something you can't eat out here?
Yeah.
What?
Sal's.
Sal's? What's Sal's?
Pizza place.
Oh, pizza. What do you want on your pizza?
Bacon.
That sounds good.
A lot of bacon.
What was your favorite thing you got to eat today?
Hash browns.
Hash browns? I like hash browns.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
No.
Well, good night, Day 8.
Good night. Hello. I am Amber. Okay, goodbye.